Hi guys, I just picked up a 2019 RZR 1000S. It's the trail edition. It's a little bit narrower. It's got like 6 miles on it. I picked it up and I had like nothing on it. I've zipped it around a little bit, but I'm going through and I'm putting on what I feel are some of the most necessary installs and upgrades and everything for it when you're right away. So I've already put the lower door skins on the passenger side. I'm going to show you how to put the skins on the driver's side. So hang tight. So these door skins came from UTV Giant. They send a little tiny install guide. There's not much to it. It's kind of vague. So I'm going to show you how to get the lower door skins on, adjusted, and fitting properly to where they don't rattle like a lot of lower door skins do. So hang tight. So on the door, we're going to remove this more forward bolt, the Torx head, and this more rear bolt on the Torx head just below the latch. So these door skins from UTV Giant, they're 0.08 thickness aluminum. They're pretty nice. They're bent well. They fit pretty good. I wasn't expecting it. They're only about $100 online. I'm not sure if they're powder coated or not, but it's just a nice black paint on there. It's really light. They're really thin. Doesn't seem like they're gonna rattle, but we'll see. So now that we got the bolts out the door, we can go and take our door skin, line up the slotted end with the back here. And we're going to take our drill, run that factory Torx head big screw back in, and run the other factory Torx head screw in right there. And in the center we have to put a small insert for a grade 8 bolt that they ship in the kit. So something that they send in this kit is a small little black insert, and this is what that center bolt will screw into. So you take in your door panel here, find that center hole that it aligns with, you just kind of slip it up on there, center it up a little bit, and that's where that center grade 8 bolt's going to go. It's right in there, and it's going to line up perfect, and it all shifts well. So okay, so the door is on. The 3 screws are kind of loose right now, so I can adjust it. In the kit they send a small little black foam cushion. So what you're going to do with that is you're going to peel the back of it, and right at the lower door crease here where there's a small little triangle, I'd normally mount mine right there, and it keeps the door from rattling because there's nothing really to support it right there. So this little foam pad will keep it from rattling against the plastic. So the 3 screws are loose, like I said. Foam pad is on right there. We're going to close the door, see where we're at. So right now the door needs to go back a little bit, and we need to pick up on this middle so the door kind of curls itself back into the bottom here. So the way you do that is you open the door. 3 screws are loose right now, so I've got some adjustment on it. I'm going to take and I'm going to tighten the back screw down and pick this front screw up because that's kind of what it was showing, and then I'm going to push in on the bottom to bring this middle slot up. Then I'm going to tighten down on that 7/16 grade 8 bolt there, and that's going to line the door just perfect. Okay, so it took a lot of back and forth, but I finally got it lined up exactly where I want it. I had to loosen the door bolts quite a bit and shimmy the door one way or the other, but I got it to go finally. Overall, I got a really good fit on it. There's an air gap the whole way around it. It's not going to rub on the paint going through the trails or anything, and it fits really well. The other thing I had to put on is these little triangles up in here right in front of the RZR symbol. Those are pretty self-explanatory. You just take this one roll cage bolt out, and then there's a little bent S-clip that clips behind the roll bar right here. I'm just going to time lapse that because it's pretty easy to do. Just like I said, that bolt out, 2 little screws and a little bracket to mount right behind there, and you're done. Okay, so I got the triangle up here done. I got the lower doors done. Everything looks really good. Overall, for a $100 kit, it's pretty good. I was skeptical. A few of the reviews online said that they don't fit well or they rattle or whatever when they dry, but the way I've got it adjusted, it's sitting right on that foam cushion. There's not a whole lot of travel that can happen to it. I like these. It's going to keep the dust off the back of the seats and stuff. The little bit of riding I've done with it right now, it seems like all the dust is coming right up in through here and in through here, and it was just caking your side and the back of the seat and everything and getting everything really dirty. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is put harnesses in on it. I'm going to do another video for that. If you like what you saw, stay tuned.